CashMAGG!
Do you want to make money online in your comfort zone? Then you are at the right place. We are here to provide you the best method to make money online for absolutely free while in your comfort zone using the methods provided on the website you are about to see. Now, before we show you the method, if you haven't, then subscribe to CashMAGG to stay updated with more content whenever we upload. Let's begin. If you haven't, first, open the browser. Now go to www.zarklami.com, for which the link is provided under the description. As you can see, you can get paid from anywhere for absolutely free of cost. This method provides you a flexible solution in which you can get paid whenever, wherever and however you want from any devices with, of course, the access to the internet. As you can see, you can get paid just for playing games, watching videos, leaving comments, subscribing to newsletters, shopping online, or even leaving actions on social media. You can earn more than $150 or more in a month depending on how much you work. And a great thing is that no additional taxes and charges are applied, and once again, there is no limit on your earning, but it depends on your work style. Now we will show you the type of tasks that can be done to get paid. As we said before, the methods include leaving engagement on social media, playing games, doing surveys, etc. Now we will show you the details of each method. In social media method, first, you need to have an account on any social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. Now, you need to leave likes, follow, share, subscribe, and other tasks on different people and pages you would like to. For this second method, you will need to complete a given task in a game in order to get paid. For third, which are surveys, you just complete surveys which other people published, and those may vary whether they are anonymous or public. Now for this fourth one, which is browsing websites, the name says it all. You need to browse the websites, create account, or discover platform, but you will have to actually do some sort of activity in the website so you actually get paid. Now for fifth, which is writing comments, your task is going to be mainly comment on different publications like YouTube videos, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Now for the sixth one, you have to create accounts and subscribe to newsletters, but in this one you will have to provide your personal details, as this method is going to be based on your interests. Now for the seventh method, you can get paid for shopping online at your favorite stores to get cash back, depending on the price of the item. Now, last but one of the most exciting methods to get paid by this website is for watching short 30-second videos based on your interests, but you have to watch full video in order to get paid. Now we have talked about the methods, it is time to show you how it works. First, you have to sign up, either with Google, Microsoft, or with your email. Once you have signed up, you will see the dashboard. Go to settings, enter the email. If you want to change, it is optional. Also you can select the way it will display your earning with 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places, but that's up to you. Now fill the billing information. Now as you can see, we have switched to the dashboard which is showing the earning, which is $0, but do not worry. You will make lots of money if you do your tasks and put your time and effort. Now we will show you how to earn money on this website. For that, let's click on the button on left bar which says Earn. Now for saving the time, we will do a quick task provided under the bell icon on top left of the screen for new users. We will do this brief task of subscribing, which pays us 2 cents to demonstrate that you can also earn from this website. As you can see this Earn button, you have to click it, and it will open a new window which signs you into YouTube and opens the YouTube channel. You have to click subscribe and watch a video to earn 2.1 cents. To show you that it actually works, we go to the billing tab. Now, as you can see that we made 2.1 cents, and it is the exact amount which was shown in the task we just did. To get paid, we have to reach the payment threshold, which is $25, and once you reach the payment threshold, you can add the payment method and make money online with this great website. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below which country are you watching from, so we can come up with the most optimized methods which can also work in your country. If you haven't, support the channel by clicking the subscribe button down below the video and click the bell icon, so you can also get notified and stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching.